Every Friday now, one person is going to vacuum, one person is going to dust. And it just looks so good in here. It looks really good. The closet looks good. It looks good for what we need it to be for now. And yeah, the girls are doing great. Hi friends, welcome to episode 3 of the Whole House Declutter and Clean with Me series. I am so excited about this and I'm making so much progress and I'm really happy with where we're at. If you didn't see the first 2 videos from this series, I will link the playlist in the description box and you can tap the eye in the upper right hand corner to watch them. So this week I'm finishing up the girls' bedroom. The girls and I finished up quite a bit in there, and honestly it's been a whole week I think since I filmed that, and they have been keeping up with it. Every week they dust and vacuum in there. We make sure to pick up every single night, and we've been decluttering more and more actually since I filmed this. We'll find something and I'm telling the girls, we'll really look at this. If you don't feel like you're gonna wear it, let's just go ahead and start a donation pile. And they've been really doing that. And so the other area that I focused on this week was that a landing there right outside the girls' bedroom in front of my laundry room. I wanted to tackle that space because it got really, as I was just taking stuff out of there, it got really messy. And we were able to donate 3 full bags, 3 full huge industrial size trash bags of stuff to Goodwill, and a huge industrial size trash bag of trash. So we've got a lot out of the house because that's how I like to see how much I'm actually getting out of the house. Just let me see how many bags I could fill because I don't want to just shuffle the mess around from room to room. So we're making progress here, and I want to thank you guys for all the supportive comments that I'm getting. I know a lot of you guys understand how it can be. Some comments aren't that understanding. They're kind of judgmental, but that comes with the territory. It is what it is. But I just want to thank you guys for so much love and just for supporting my channel and supporting me and watching me get through this and kind of cheering me on. And I want you to know that I'm cheering you on as well, because maybe it's not your house that you need to declutter. Maybe you need to declutter your mind, or maybe you need to declutter your finances, or maybe you need to declutter your friendships. Decluttering can go, in lots of different areas of our life, and it helps us to have clarity on where we need to be. So thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy the video. All this was under the bed. We were doing really well. And we said, oh my gosh, look at all this under the bed. So we got to go through all this. Clean it up. And we're going to put our clean clothes away. Keeping it nice and clean. We're going to dust every week, vacuum every week. We are on it. Well, the room is looking really good. The girls and I cleaned everything from underneath the bed. You guys remember what the corner looks like over here. It's nice and clean. What over here looks like, the books are just another beast that we're not going to tackle today. And then, of course, the closet. I went through and I pulled everything off the hangers. We put everything away. We hung things up. We have our little system set. And we are good. You guys remember what it looked like before. I'm just really happy with the after. Remember what this looked like. Now it's clean. The girls are picking out their clothes. We still use these. They're very helpful. I know a lot of people in the last video were like, why don't you take those down? They're taking up a lot of space, and let your kids just pick out your clothes the day of. Absolutely not. It would take too long for them to decide. And we move quick in the mornings, so they make all the decisions now. I do not pick out their clothes anymore. They pick out their own clothes based on, we look at the weather, what they make their own decisions about their clothes. And so we still absolutely utilize this. Everything goes in there for the day. Underwear, everything. So
yeah, but I literally am the first one to get up. I get up so early, and my mom's really surprised because I get dressed and I lay in my bed with the covers.
Yes, she does.
She actually asked me a question, why is it comfortable to sleep with their
I'm like, honey, why are you sleeping with your clothes on? It's not full on, the sweaters, jacket, all that.
Some kids may try that, but trust me, it's not really comfortable.
Okay.
It's really
so yeah, we still utilize this. Yeah, it's been working. All right, y'all. So now that my girl's bedroom is done, my hallway now looks like this, and we're gonna clear this out today. I borrowed my dad's truck. He has a big truck, so we're gonna load everything up that's Goodwill, take the trash out, clear this landing area. This is when you come up the stairs here. I don't know, it just turns into like kind of like a dumping ground, and I just want this whole area right here cleaned. This is the laundry room. This is the girls' room. This is our master bedroom. I must say, I'm so happy with how the girls' room turned out. It's been several days since I filmed that footage of us finishing the room up. And, you know, every night now we do a nightly pickup where we make sure everything's picked up off the floor and put where it's supposed to be. And then every Friday now, one person is going to vacuum, one person is going to dust. And it just looks so good in here. It looks really good. The closet looks good. It looks good for what we need it to be for now. That's their clothes picked out for next week. And yeah, the girls are doing great. So I had my little green machine out because there are these spots here. Don't know what this is. I think I want to say it's lip gloss, I think. And also I saw a comment that was like, it's ridiculous that you have a Christmas tree out. Why do you have a Christmas tree out? You don't need this Christmas tree. Well, first of all, my kids love this Christmas tree. We keep it out all year round. It's like a little nightlight for them. We just plug it in every single night and they love it. So no, I'm not going to get rid of that. And no, I'm not going to put it away. Anyways, so this, I'm going to try to use, I don't know if I've tried in the past. I don't think so. I don't know what this is. So I'm going to use my little green machine to try to get this up as well. I have to vacuum really, really well. Vacuum this area again really, really well. And then I'm going to try to use my little green machine to get this up. So let's do that first before we start in the hallway. Not sure what this is. It's crunchy though, really crunchy and sticky. I don't know what that is, but here is the official before. Let's see what we can get out. And then this spot right here. Found another spot right here. I don't know what this is. It's hard and crunchy too. My vacuum cannot get this up. I don't know what my girls be doing over here, but I don't know what this is. Let's just hope it comes up when I pull it up with my nails. It's so hard. It doesn't feel like kinetic sand or anything like that. We don't have kinetic sand up here. I don't know. And it's not nail polish. Is this Play-Doh? Did they sneak Play-Doh in here? I'm not supposed to have that either. Oh, well, it came up. That works. Not bad. Got a lot of dirt. It makes me want to fully deep clean their carpets in here because clearly it's dirty, but let me show you the spots now. Okay, you remember what the spots were that were right here. So here it is. Those dark spots came right up. Now this pink spot is not coming up. I really do think that this is nail polish. I don't know for certain. I remember last time I did the carpet cleaning video, you guys had a lot of tips on how to get like a deep stain out. Leave any comments that you have down below. I use my little green machine, but I could use my bigger machine if I need to. And then this little blue mark here didn't really come out, but I know it's clean. The carpet's right here. Let me show you the solution that I used. I used this Bissell spot and stain remover is what I used. It smells really good. I also have this. That works really well too. I may just spray this on it and let it sit for a while and see if I can get anything out of there. But like I said, leave any comments down below. I remember someone saying something about a hydrogen peroxide solution that really works, but if you have any tips, leave them down below. All right, let's get to work in this hallway. this is a little toddler nap mat. We barely use it. I bought this for Zara when she was a baby. It's like in mint condition. She never used it. But I think I'm gonna sell it because I Googled it. It's by Olive Kids. I Googled it and they're like $50 at Bed Bath & Beyond. It comes with like little Velcros here. I think you can send these into daycares. I think that's what I originally bought it for. But again, we never used it. So I think I'm gonna try to sell this. And along with some of their toys too. The clothes, there's a lot of clothes and shoes I could sell too. But see, to be honest guys, it's like if it's too much for me to sell, I will just put it off and put it off and put it off. See, this is how it, and then you can like, has a little handle on it. I'll put it off and put it off and these bags will just sit here. And I gotta get this stuff out of my house. I just need to get it out of the house. But something like this, I think I'm gonna try to sell and see how it goes. What do you guys think the easiest platform it is to sell if you guys have resold any of your kids' stuff? Leave a comment down below and let me know any advice you have, any platforms, because like they have like some gently used UGG boots and a lot of nice things that I know I can resell. So leave any advice down below. Yes, honey, we are getting this stuff out of here. Fill her up. Okay, it's all clear. I haven't cleared in my laundry room. I didn't really film in there before, but there was a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. But straightened up in there, and I vacuumed. And my landing area is clear. Again, when you come up the stairs, you remember all that stuff that was there, girl. And now it's gone. So I'm really happy. Now, I pulled this stuff out of the donation bag because I want to sell these. Like I said, a lot of this stuff my girls barely wore. Like these penny loafers, these North Face kind of fur jackets. I'm gonna run these through the wash. These are reversible North Face jackets. The sleeping mat, a couple nice jean jackets, this little Gap dress, this sweater, it literally still has a tag on it right here. I'm gonna see how this goes. These shoes, like I said, weren't even worn, so I'm gonna see how it goes. But I have to be accountable. If this is still here next week when I film, it's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna try to get rid of it within a week. If I don't, then I'll just be giving it to Goodwill, donating it to Goodwill. But I'm really happy. All right, my friends, we are rocking and rolling through this whole house declutter and clean with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, join my YouTube family. I post lots of content like that, and hopefully I'll get through most of my house before the end of 2021. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.